I think to teach, it is an art. It's not that if you like, you can do it, but it's art and it should be inside you. To educate people and to prepare them for the real life is not an easy task, but it's the best one so far. Based in our curriculum at MLAT program, we must have some certain equipment in the lab to be able to operate with the students before they hit the labor market. Just being disciplined and respecting their time and their money. We have to be patient to sit with them. All the equipments they need to know before they leave the lab here. When they go in the real world, they need to know how to operate all this. So with patience, always to control them, always to observe them, and to be patient how to be trained. Morally, we are responsible as educators. Until our students gonna get a job, we don't have to be so quiet in our spirit. Morally, we are responsible that people to educate to get a job, because it doesn't make sense to have a diploma and do not have a job. And it's our mission to change their lives.